So as you all know, last week was a very hard and difficult week for your boy. I was going through it. I was down bad. I know I look like, you know what I'm saying, I look like a Valentine's Day snack, you know what I'm saying? But I was really going through a hard time, almost like a breakup. My account was just dwindling down, dwindling trade after trade. I was breaking rules. I was doing everything that I tell you guys not to do. I was not using a stop loss, and I'm thoroughly ashamed. You know what I'm saying? I'm thoroughly ashamed. Now we're back on track. We're back live streaming. We're back doing it big, and we're back growing the account from $300 to 30K. So we're back, people. We're back. You know what I'm saying? We're back. We're coming back stronger. You know, I'm looking good. I'm dressed in the white polo horse down. I'm looking good. But what do I have for you today? What do I have for you today, people? Today we are doing a video reacting to losing $116,000, people. US American dollars. In how long? Seconds, people. Absolute seconds. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. So here we are, we're back. Shout out to this guy. Whoa, his name is Deadnsyde. I mean, if I lost 116K in a few seconds, I definitely would be dead inside too. You feel me? You feel me? But we just gonna see what's going to him. Shout out for this juicy content. I know over here on the channel you guys love watching people lose money, but I'm not gonna hold you up. So let's just go ahead and get straight into the video.
I am Deadnsyde, and right now I am watching live the space launch from Astra, the rocket launch, in hopes of seeing the share price rise along with a successful launch. Maybe it'll be successful, maybe not, but
I don't know if y'all peeped that though, but his market value, let me show you. Let me make myself a little smaller here. I'll move myself over here. His market value is $665,000. So he's playing with a lot. I mean, losing 116K is, it's always gonna hurt. It's always gonna hurt. But that's a lot to use. You can see his today's return. He's up 28K. So he's really doing big things out here. I don't know why his name is like something like I'm Dead Inside or something like that. I don't know. Maybe there's a little lifeless element to this guy right here. You know what I'm saying? That we just can't see or something. But let's go ahead and get straight into it.
it's going to be fun to see, regardless of the outcome, what my portfolio is going to be doing. It's either going up, going down, staying flat. Oh, some new.
He's getting a little nervous. You see, it's either gonna go up or it's gonna go down or it's gonna go sideways. I don't know which other way it could go.
On the water system machine toggle pump full to full.
Okay, Lena, does that look good to you?
That looks like a successful deluge test.
The people in the chat right here, they're so annoying. They keep wanting to see the girl. They want to see the girl talking more than the rocket. And they keep saying, when moon. I'm pretending that the rocket won't do well. That's the right mentality to have while holding a stock like this. I'm expecting the rocket to crash. There's nothing wrong with having that mentality. I'm long term. Stock's going up though.
Astra's third orbital launch attempt and our first commercial orbital launch.
Going up because it looks like the rocket is going to be launched today. But the real question is, when moon?
Red lead.
I don't get the whole when moon thing or anything like that. I don't know. Maybe that's just a part of his culture. Like, I think bro has almost like 200K subscribers or something. So shout out to him. He's definitely doing big things on this. Y'all might want to check him out. But I mean, you can kind of see on his face, like, look on his face right here. He's got to be a little stressed, Like, no one wants to, like, he may be able to eat that loss, but nobody wants to be able to take that type of loss. Let's see.
Red lead is go. FTS.
FTS is go.
Delphin.
Delphin is go.
Ether.
Ether is go.
Odin. Inco.
Inco is go.
Ace.
Odin's not go. Oh, the intensity is building. Hey, I am from India. 30,000 people watching. I have my money on gravity. This would be a good time to sell.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
What do you think's gonna happen? Wait, did I create like a dramatic like pause or something right there? Look at his face. He's so serious. I would be so serious too. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna copy him and we're just gonna see what happens.
2, 1. Mission 0. Abort.
Back at idle. Port hit.
Woo!
Looks like an abort was called at T0.
Ooh, ooh.
The team will look into the issue and we will hopefully make another attempt.
Look at the stop.
Again, the board called right near.
Odin, why? Ooh. That's 74,000 for the day. Imagine everything you could do with 74,000. You could take your girl to Dubai, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You could buy like a AMG Mercedes Benz, you know what I'm saying? You could put a down payment on a nice house, and imagine just in seconds. Just because this dude is honestly, he's a behemoth, y'all. He's an absolute goat. Like, you know, as far as like Wall Street bets and all of that, like I'm definitely gonna be peeping on this dude's channel more, because think he was looking at all of this. He said he's gonna be holding this long term. So maybe I'm thinking a little bit differently about it, but this is all off of a space launch. Like, this wasn't like a very calculated trade that this dude made like this. This is just him watching space launch news. Like, that's kind of crazy. Like, he definitely has some, you know, Superman nuts of steel. Pause. You feel me?
Zero teams are currently working through their abort procedures and we're standing by for word of the next attempt.
The next attempt today. Somebody said, did they forget to plug it in? It was Trump's fault.
He's actually very calm.
Recycle, and we will begin our recycled attempt at T-minus 15 minutes at the top of our
Like, yeah, 15 minutes and now start going back up again.
This is LD on countdown. We're going to scrub for the day. Thank you, everybody, for following along.
I don't want no scrub.
Jeez, look at that chart. Like, that's that death chart, you know. That's that death chart. Jeez. Well, shout out to this man. This man's an absolute goat. He's an absolute behemoth to be able to take on this type of loss. And, you know, it doesn't really seem like he's shedding a tear. You know, I lose $116,000 in one day on live. Y'all gonna see me throwing a laptop. I'm gonna be throwing a laptop. This mic will not be here anymore. These two monitors will not be here anymore. And I'll probably get banned off of YouTube for the amount of tantrum I would be throwing if I lost this in seconds. But shout out to this absolute behemoth.
Rocket science is complicated. So tomorrow, it looks like they will be trying to launch the rocket again. I'm glad this stock is dropping from it being scrubbed and not from it blowing up. They still have an attempt tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it's not too windy. We can see how the rocket does. But thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe for more content and research. If you want to subscribe to my other YouTube channel, type in the Deadnsyde show.
All right, so that's his channel right there. If you guys want to check him out, shout out to him for this excellent piece of content. It's really hard to find a lot of videos like this of people losing money on the market. One, because people just be too embarrassed. Oh, I don't want to see anybody lose money. And two, it's like, you know what I'm saying, not many people, especially stock market gurus, want to be open enough to actually really live stream and show off their losses. Or if they do, they won't take any risks, that kind of thing. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, shout out to the gang. Shout out to everybody who's been, you know, showing the channel tons of love. I appreciate all of it. You know, it's been great. Just make sure you guys use a stop loss. Like, comment, subscribe, tune into the live streams. $300 to 30K. We're making big moves. We're making big moves. So make sure you're a part of that. Have a great day and be blessed.